Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech tips and tricks to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling something super practical: how to see your Wise card number in 2025. If you're a Wise user, you know how handy their cards are for international transactions, but with the latest 2025 updates, things might look a bit different. Don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step, so you can access your card details quickly and securely. First off, why would you need to see your Wise card number? It could be for online shopping, setting up payments, or just double-checking your info. Wise has rolled out some new security features in 2025, like enhanced encryption and a refreshed app interface, which means the process is even safer but might require a few extra clicks. Let's dive in. Step 1. Make sure you have the latest Wise app installed on your phone or tablet. Head to your App Store, search for Wise, and update if needed. Once that's done, open the app and log in with your email and password. If you're on a new device, you might need to verify with a two-factor authentication code sent to your phone. Step 2. Once logged in, navigate to the Cards section. It's usually at the bottom of the main screen. Look for the icon that looks like a credit card. Tap on it, and you'll see a list of your active cards. Select the one you want to view. Step 3. For the 2025 update, Wise now has a View Details button with an extra layer of security. You'll be prompted to enter your PIN or use biometric verification, like fingerprint or Face ID. After that, your card number will appear on screen, but remember, it's only visible for a short time to protect against fraud. A quick tip: if you're on a desktop, log into your Wise account via their website. Go to the Account tab, then Cards, and follow similar steps. Always ensure you're on a secure network to avoid any risks. There you have it. That's how you see your Wise card number in 2025. It's all about staying secure while keeping things simple. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.